Luxury versus budget cruises. On the surface, both promise the same thing: a chance to sail the ocean, enjoy food and entertainment, and visit exotic ports. But the real difference between a $200 cruise and a $2,000 cruise is much bigger than most passengers realize. Today, we're breaking down the major differences so you'll know exactly what your money buys and whether luxury is truly worth the price. Number 1. Cabins and comfort. On a budget cruise, the cheapest option is usually an inside cabin with no windows. It's small, often less than 150 square feet, with basic furniture and little storage. On a luxury cruise, cabins are dramatically different. You'll find spacious suites with balconies, king-sized beds, marble, bathrooms, and sometimes even butler service. The difference in how you wake up each day is massive. In a budget cabin, you may feel like you're sleeping in a closet. In a luxury suite, you're opening your curtains to the ocean every morning. Number 2. Dining experience. Budget cruises often rely heavily on large buffets. They offer plenty of food, but you might face long lines and repetitive menus. Specialty restaurants cost extra and require reservations. On luxury cruises, the dining experience is the centerpiece. Meals are à la carte, crafted by top chefs, and most specialty restaurants are included in your fare. Premium wines and cocktails often come at no extra charge. While budget passengers are waiting in line for the buffet, luxury guests are being served lobster tail and champagne in a fine dining setting. Number 3. Service and staff. On budget cruises, the staff-to-guest ratio is high. One crew member may serve dozens of passengers, meaning service is friendly but limited. On luxury ships, the ratio is much smaller. You may have nearly one crew member for every guest. That means personal attention, faster service, and in some cases, staff who learn your name and preferences within the first day. A budget cruise feels like a hotel. A luxury cruise feels like a private club. Number 4. Excursions and activities. Budget cruises offer plenty of excursions, but they are often crowded bus tours and standardized experiences. You might find yourself in a group of 40 people at the same tourist trap. Luxury cruises take a different approach. They arrange small group tours, private guides, and access to exclusive places. Instead of being one of dozens of tourists, you might find yourself on a private wine tasting tour or snorkeling in a secluded bay. The memories feel more personal, and the crowds are left behind. Number 5. Entertainment. On budget ships, entertainment often means large theater shows with singers and dancers, comedy acts, or game shows. It's fun, but it can feel repetitive. On luxury ships, entertainment is more intimate and curated. Think small jazz concerts, classical music recitals, or guest speakers who are experts in their field. While budget passengers are watching another game of trivia, luxury guests are sipping cocktails while listening to a Grammy-nominated pianist. Number 6. Atmosphere and fellow passengers. Budget cruises attract a broad mix of travelers, families with kids, young adults, large groups, and bargain hunters. That means pools can be noisy, buffets crowded, and hallways busy. Luxury cruises attract a different crowd, often older, wealthier, and looking for peace. The vibe is quieter, calmer, and more refined. If you enjoy energy and variety, a budget cruise has it. If you want tranquility and elegance, luxury delivers it. Number 7. Hidden costs. This is where the difference really adds up. On budget cruises, the base fare may look cheap, but almost everything else costs extra. Wi-Fi, drinks, room service, gratuities, excursions, fitness classes, all added to your bill. By the end of the trip, a $500 fare might turn into $1,000 or more. Luxury cruises, on the other hand, include most of these extras. Wi-Fi, fine dining, gratuities, even excursions may be bundled in. The final bill often ends up closer to the original price you paid. What seems expensive at first sometimes ends up being better value when the extras are considered. Number 8. Destinations and ports. Budget cruises stick to the most popular ports where large ships can dock. These ports are often crowded with multiple ships unloading thousands of tourists at once. Luxury cruises often visit smaller, more exclusive destinations that big ships cannot reach. That might mean anchoring off a private island, docking in a quiet, historic town, or exploring a less visited paradise. Number 9. Overall value. Here's the question everyone asks. Is luxury really worth it? The answer depends on what you want from your vacation. If you're happy with simple meals, crowded excursions, and a smaller cabin, a budget cruise is still an incredible way to see the world for less. But if you want space, privacy, fine dining, and the comfort of knowing that almost everything is included, a luxury cruise can actually be worth the higher price. In the end, luxury versus budget is not about which one is better. It's about what kind of traveler you are. Some people value affordability and don't mind sacrificing comfort. Others want peace, pampering, and exclusivity. Neither choice is wrong. But knowing the real differences will make sure you book the cruise that truly matches your expectations. So whether you're planning your first cruise or your 50th, remember, price is only the beginning. The real value is in the experience. And now you know what your money really buys at sea.